today's session we will solve question number 5 of exercise 8.5. This is the fill in the missing entry. Length is given, breadth is given, height is missing and volume is given. So what to do? I have told you earlier also, when we don't know the formula, simply use the formula that you know. We know the formula of volume. First of all, I will tell how to derive the formula. See, as we know the formula of volume, that is LBH. Here you need to find height. So keep height on one side. Here it is volume. Length and breadth, which are in multiply, here will come in form of divide. Divide by length multiply breadth. Height is equal to volume divided by length multiply breadth. Now we get the formula. Same way you can also find the formula of length. If you have to find the length, the formula will be volume divided by breadth multiply height. And for breadth, you will use the formula volume divided by length multiply height. So now we are having all the three formulas. We need the formula of height. Height is equal to volume divided by length multiply breadth. Height we don't know. Volume is 560. Length is 8. Breadth is 10. Do the cuttings. 0, 0 cancel. 8 ones are 8. 8 sevens are 56. The answer is 7 meter. So the height is 7 meter. This way you can solve all the parts. 6 questions. Solve the following problems. Word problem B part. Mr. Gupta's refrigerator has a volume of 24 cubic meters. If it is 2 meters wide and 3 meters long, how high it is? See, the volume is given. Volume is 24 cubic meters. 2 meter wide. Width means breadth. Width and breadth are same. That is 2 meter. Length is 3 meter. Now we have to find the height. Height formula we will use here. That is volume divided by length multiply breadth. Volume is 24. Length is 3. Breadth is 2. Do the cutting. 3 ones are 3. 3 eights are 24. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. This is 4 meter. So our answer is height is equal to 4 meter. Volume is given. What could be the three measurements? We have to find the three measurements of the cube. See the formula of volume of cube, that is side multiply side multiply side. Means all the three sides should have equal measurement. Volume is 512. So how to do? To find the side, all the sides should be equal. We will use the prime factors method. We will take out the prime factors of 512. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 1s are 2s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. Here we get all the prime factors. Now we will make the pairs of equal factors. 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So we can make pairs like this. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. So you can say 8 multiply 8. That is 512. What is the measurement of 8? That is the measurement of side. Side multiply side. Here 8 multiply 8. Means side is 8 meters. Here we get our answer. Side is 8 meters. I hope you understand it. How many bricks of size 15 centimeter multiply 6 centimeter multiply 3 centimeter will be needed to build a wall of size 45 centimeter multiply 12 centimeter multiply 5 centimeter. Here the measurement of a wall and a brick is given. Both are in the shape of a cuboid. These are the measurements of brick. This is the length, breadth and height. And these are the measurements of wall. We have to find the number of bricks. See, a wall is made up of bricks. So total volume of wall, if it is divided by the volume of a brick, we will get the number of bricks. So write size of brick, this, size of a wall, this. Now number of bricks will be volume of wall divided by volume of brick. Volume of wall is 45 centimeter multiply 12 centimeter multiply 5 centimeter divided by 15 centimeter multiply 6 centimeter multiply 3. Do the cutting now. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. All have been cut. Now multiply these two. 5 multiply 2. It is 10 bricks. So this wall is made up of 10 bricks only. That is our answer. I hope you understand it. Rest of the parts you can do at your own. Fine. Thank you.